Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents Schezwan Lollipop. Step 1, makes lollipop. Take 8 to 10 niblets, wash and clean. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Half teaspoon garam masala. Salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1½ tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Half teaspoon coriander cumin powder. Half teaspoon vinegar. 1 teaspoon soy sauce. 3 tablespoons corn flour. 2 tablespoons plain flour. 1 tablespoon green chili sauce. 1 tablespoon Schezwan chutney. Pinch of orange food color. Crack 1 egg. Mix well. Coat the lollipops well. Let it marinate for 20 minutes. Now heat up the wok. Add oil for deep frying. Once oil is medium hot, deep fry the lollipops. Cook 6 to 7 minutes. Flip the sides. Remove it. Keep aside, we'll use it later. Step 2. Making lollipops gravy. Take the same oil in a wok. Add 1 tablespoon chopped ginger garlic. Let it fry for a few seconds. Now add 1 chopped onion. Add half a cup of chopped spring onions. Sauté well. Add green chilies as per taste. Half sliced capsicum. Sauté well. At this point, add all the sauces. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons Schezwan chutney. 2 tablespoon tomato ketchup. 1 teaspoon green chili sauce. Half teaspoon vinegar. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1/4 teaspoon red chili sauce. Salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Mix well. Now take 1 heaped tablespoon corn flour. Add 1/4 cup water and mix well. Pour corn flour slurry in it. Give it a good mix. Cook well. Add fried lollipops. Mix well. Add green onions. Mix well. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. Give it a good mix. Restaurant-style Schezwan lollipops are ready to enjoy. Dish out. Serve hot. Do try this yummy Schezwan Lollipops recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Let me show you another one. Do try and enjoy. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.